think I'm giving glam.
Baby, you don't know.
Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Key. So if you don't know what I do here I do hair. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a wig that I got from LUVME hair, and the wig is so cute. It's really like a beginner friendly wig. Like when I tell you it gets no beginner friendly than this, it gets no beginner friendly than this. So the wig is basically a 2x6, which basically means that it's like 2 inches of lace here and then 6 inches parting space. So there's not a lot of variety with this wig, but it is very, very pretty. And let me show you. I don't know if I know what a box is. Give me a second. So this is the box that the hair came in, and I did this, don't judge me, please, sorry. But it's so like, it was packaged so nice, and it came with this and this. This is a really cute scrunchie. It also came with like some fake nails, but we're not gonna show you guys those because I'm already using those. I'm gonna say yes, a stocking cap. I'm like, I'm knowing I'm missing something. They're very big. I typically don't go for like big lashes, but I was like, let me see what they look like for the video. So, for the video, I'm gonna put the wig on for y'all, and I'm not gonna do like the ball cap method or nothing like that, because it's like it's literally it's like 2 inches of parting space. Like, look, calm down, bam, naked. So let me underexpose my forehead. I was gonna be lazy and just be like, wear a dome cap, but I literally am gonna do another wig right after this, so let me just put makeup on this. And okay, I am back with a colored cap. So get under there, don't do that, please. Act like you have fun training. So I'm about to, you know, put this wig on real quick, and it has this band, and it has adjustable straps, and it has these combs, so it's very, very sturdy. And my wig is 20 inches. Yeah, and it came with these 2 little things right here. I did not do that. They did that, and that's really cute. Thank you. So I'm about to just put this bad boy on. We're about to see what it looks like. So to get my foundation shade, I mixed my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Coconut, as well as my Born to Glow in the color Mocha. So this is just the wig on. I have not put anything on it yet to like try to, well, I did put spritz like right on the front, because that's one thing about this that's one thing about this wig. You do have a lot of flyaways like right in the front, and I'm guessing because it is bleached. So I would definitely say just like use your wax stick, or just take like some spritz and just put it right in the front, because that's what I did. I don't want to do too much stuff, so I'm just literally gonna make sure my clips are clipped. You don't have to do this, but I just like to make sure. And I am going to just put my, what's that thing called? Yeah, I'm just gonna use my hot comb real quick to just get it as flat as possible. So I feel like the hot comb is gonna get, you know, some of the job done, but if you're not using a wax stick, and I suggest that she is bomb wax stick, because she's gonna get the job done. I'm going to put curls in it because I just feel like curls is my look. I like curls. So when I curl my hair in my face, and then afterwards I curl my hair out of my face, because I want my hair to kind of hang right in front of my face but not be in the way. Now, as y'all just saw, I put a little bit of Got to Be on the ends. I would definitely recommend, because I didn't show that part, but I spray Got to Be on my hair before and after the curling process. So this is what the hair would look like if it was curled, and this is what the hair would look like more on the straight side. So you can really just kind of choose what you want to do with this hair. I'm going to show you guys what, you know, the rest of the process, but yeah, I'm loving it. So freaking soft. And it's full. Like, to just be this much lace, it's full. It's full as hell. Oh my, it's so nice. It's so nice. Stop playing with me. Why would you? And you can not only not, but you can use my discount. Stop. Okay, so let me not be in the mirror talking trash. But basically, I am going to tell y'all some more specs about this hair while I'm sitting here curling it, because I was like, why not? So, y'all, I've already worn this hair, so I will tell you. That's why the lace is already cut in the beginning. But I will tell y'all that it doesn't really hold a curl throughout the day if you do not take the proper precautions. If you spray it, it's gonna hold, but if you don't, it's not. I'm just being real with you. Like, if you don't put like some Gossipy on there or something like that, and you just go out the house and you think that this is gonna hold, you might as well go back to bed. Fucking dreaming. Like, it's super cute though, as y'all can see. So I am about to run my fingers through this bad boy and flip my hair because I'm a fucking monster. Very big, very fluffy. Okay, I probably put some layers in it. And I probably put some layers in it because I kind of needed to stay out of my face, and I can't do that if it's not layered. So I would definitely recommend that. Probably just make some layers and kind of curl it out of your face. But this is super cute. Don't get into it. Get into it. Y'all, I'm so slow. I didn't even show y'all how long it is on me. So I am 5'3", by the way. Like, you know, and a half. Please don't forget that. But so I feel like the big question is, like, would I recommend this wig? Hell yeah. Like, if I tell you, if you are new at doing wigs, if you are just trying to do something quick and simple and easy, like, even if you're just somebody that's not new at doing wigs and you just want to get out the door, this is that wig. She is that wig. Invest in this wig. And use my discount code, because please, it's going to be in the link in the description box below. Come on now. So, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for just, you know, watching me style and get cute. And if you guys like this wig from LUVME Hair, again, this little, you know... So, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.